Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my MacBook buying experience in Japan with you. If you get anything useful out of this video, do like it, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. So let's start. My MacBook Air was 8 years old and I wanted to upgrade it with new Apple Silicon Mac. I have waited for almost a year and a half till Apple released their next generation of chips, that is M2, M2 Pro and M2 Max. Initially I had decided to buy my MacBook from Apple online store and get it delivered to my closest physical Apple store or directly to my home, but upon checking on their website I could not find any offer that will give me some cashback points or so. Of course my credit card company offers 1% cashback on my any kind of purchase I make through their card, but I was looking for something more this time, as purchase cost of the MacBooks is already in hundreds of thousands. So even if you get, let's say, 3 to 5% cashback points, that's a lot. The configuration I wanted to have is M2 Pro chip, which has 12 core CPU, 19 core GPU, 16 core neural engine. To be future proof, a 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, and most importantly US English keyboard. I started my research with popular electronic shops here like Yamada Denki, Arion, Big Camera, etc., and even on Amazon. All of them can provide a customized version of the MacBook, but it only comes with a Japanese keyboard. Nothing wrong with it, but I'm used to a US keyboard and wanted to buy my MacBook with this main requirement. Only Big Camera agreed to customize my MacBook with all my specifications and with English keyboard too. They also offered 5% cashback points, using which I bought Microsoft Office. Though Big Camera website doesn't show any option to configure English keyboard, you can directly call them and tell your requirements. As I bought MacBook and MS Office together, I even got few thousand yens of discount on my MS Office purchase. In short, I got MS Office free on my MacBook Pro purchase. After my purchase through Big Camera physical shop, it took around 2 weeks for my Mac to arrive. Till then, I made phone inquiries several times to know the status of my order. Finally, it's the day my MacBook has arrived. Hi. Hi, ちょっと待ってください。はい、大丈夫です。Big Camera had bubble wrapped the box with good 3 to 4 of layers. So it seems first Apple sent my MacBook to Big Camera facility and from there they delivered it to my address. The inner box was damaged a bit, but that's not an issue because there is one more box that finally contains the product. I quickly checked the specs on the box so that if something was wrong or different, I could have returned it as it is. Finally, time to unbox. With new packaging, Apple has tried to avoid or reduce plastic usage. The packaging is nice and it contains main MacBook, a MagSafe charging cable, then some documentation including Apple stickers and a 140 watts charging brick. Apple used to include extension cable as well before, but nowadays they don't. Then I did some basic initial setup like selecting language and region, written and spoken languages, accessibility features, Wi-Fi setup, data and privacy, Apple ID, account information, iCloud, and finally the Touch ID, which can be used for many authentication purposes like login, payments, and yeah, whatnot. and done. One last thing I did is to add Apple Care to extend the limited 1-year warranty and get additional coverage from Apple just in case any accidental damages, etc. There are two plans. First one covers the product for 3 years in 53,800 yen, and then you are on your own. But the plan I chose was an yearly plan which can be extended as long as I want. It comes with an yearly 19,800 yen.